Hello student! In this video, we're gonna be talking about what's inside our refrigerator. Here in AFU, we also have a refrigerator. But did you know, to make it easy, we call it a fridge. Now let's see what's inside our fridge. Ooh! Now in the freezer, there is a pack of chicken nuggets. And then next up, there is a pack of chicken wings. Other than that, there is one pack of fries, but this one's called cireng fries. Next up, there are 2 jars of cakes. And then there are 2 ice creams. Going to the tray, on the first tray, here there are 2 jars of cookies. Next tray, we have some vegetables. There is a Chinese cabbage. And there are 2 cucumbers. And also there is a chicken fillet. Next tray, here we have some fruits. First, there are 4 oranges. And also, there are 2 pineapples. Going to this side, there are some eggs. Next, there are some beverages here. And then there are 2 vitamin C drinks. Now, not least, there is 1 water bottle. And also there is a pack of sugar. Well, I guess that would be all. Thank you so much. I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye.